Hello everyone and welcome to the next part of this tutorial. So today we are diving into one of the most powerful and commonly used APIs in malware and advanced system programming, which is create remote thread function. This function allows a program to create a thread inside another process, which executes a malicious code inside the target process, which is a key technique used in things like DLL injection, code injection from malware programs. Let's understand the function prototype of this function. Here is the full function prototype. Let's break it down one piece at a time. On successful execution of this function, it returns a handle to the newly created thread. H process is the handle to the target process, the process where we want to create the remote thread. To get this handle, we usually use open process function with the right access flags like process all access. Without a valid handle, the function will fail. Now, thread attributes defines the security settings for the thread. In most cases, especially in malware or reverse engineering code, we just pass null, meaning we use the default security. Stack size tells Windows how big the stack of the new thread should be. In almost all cases, especially in malware coding, we just pass 0. This tells Windows to use the default size. Now, this start address is very important. This is the address where the thread will start executing. In simple terms, we are telling Windows, hey, when you create this thread, start running code from this memory address. This address must be inside the target process's memory. If you have injected a DLL or shellcode into a remote process, you provide the address of that code here. This is where the magic happens. So this is the parameter, which is the parameter that we want to pass to the thread function. In malware coding, if our shellcode or injected function expects an argument, then we pass it here. If not, we just pass null here. Creation flags tells Windows whether to start the thread immediately or keep it suspended. Most malware and injection tools just pass 0 unless they want to manipulate the thread before it starts. Now, if we want to get the ID of the new thread, we pass a pointer to a dword variable here. If we don't care about the thread ID, we can just pass null here. Create remote thread is a powerful, flexible, and a go-to API for both malware developers and defenders trying to understand what malware does. So that's all for now. If you have any kind of confusion regarding this concept, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will definitely help you. So I will meet you in the next part. Till then, goodbye.